Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa pulao. Start by rinsing quinoa thoroughly in a fine mesh sieve. Toasting the grains adds a nutty depth and keeps texture separate. Sauté whole spices and aromatics until fragrant, then add vegetables and stock. Simmer gently until quinoa is tender and liquids are absorbed. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the flavors and serve. Measure quinoa to water at a 1:2 ratio for fluffy results and adjust for grain type. Rinse quinoa well to remove bitterness, then drain. Chop vegetables uniformly for even cooking and pre-measure spices. Use good quality vegetable or chicken stock for deeper flavor. Cook over medium-low heat and avoid stirring too much to keep grains separate. Rest covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork and garnish before serving. Heat oil, then add cumin, bay leaf, and whole spices until fragrant. Sauté onions until golden, then add ginger garlic paste. Add chopped vegetables and cook until slightly tender, then add rinsed quinoa and stir to coat. Pour in hot stock, bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to low and cover. Cook until liquid is absorbed, rest, fluff, and finish with herbs and a squeeze of lemon and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.